The make money online by training AI niche is super hot right now. There are your top tier websites like data-annotation.tech, outlier.ai, and those are a bit difficult to get into. Then there are the entry-level ones that have just started recently. I'm talking about aligner.ai and Stellar.ai. Given how hot this niche is, even when you open an account in these entry-level accounts, Stellar or Aligner, you're still going to make more or less somewhere between $2,000 to $4,000 a month. In this video, I'm going to discuss Stellar.ai, exactly how to open this account and start earning that sweet artificial intelligence money anywhere between $2,000 to $4,000 a month. If you're thinking of any of the other accounts, I'm talking about aligner.com, I'm talking about data-annotation.tech AI, I'm talking about outlier.ai, then don't forget to go to our homepage, check out videos. We've created videos on all these accounts, how to open them. Of course, like any of the other make money online accounts, it will be really dumb to just use your normal browser and normal IP address to open any of these accounts. You won't get very far. What you need to do instead is get an anti-detect browser and a proxy. The proxy I'm going to use is RedMarvin.com and the anti-detect browser I'm going to use is Multilogin. Again, I've already set up the profile. If you want more details, exact specifics on how to set up these profiles, then go to the description. First link, it will take you to a mini course that explains everything, how to set it up and how to solve any of the other challenges you will meet when opening Stellar.ai. I'm just going to go to Multilogin, launch the profile I've already created. I'm going to launch the profile I've created by clicking on launch. It will open as a Chromium browser. As you can see, my IP address is in the United States, District of Columbia, and it's a perfect IP address. That's what you get when you use RedMarvin. This is the website. It's Stellar.ai, different from just Stellar.ai. Flexible work, and anywhere between $5 an hour. At least these guys are giving a rational number. Unlike aligner.ai, who tell you're going to earn up to $150 an hour. Yet in reality, for all these websites, it's somewhere between $10 to $50 an hour maximum. Most projects will be around $20 an hour, which is still okay money. Just going to go all the way here, click on get started, create your Gmail email address. I'm just going to go and get my email address, temporary email address from here. I'm going to copy the email address, paste it here. I'm going to set your password, and I'm definitely not a robot. Then we're just going to register. Go back to get the confirmation email. Here is my confirmation email. I'm just going to copy it, paste the link. At all times, just use the anti-detect browser. Then you go into the next step. I'm going to basically assess you, then match you to specific skills. And this is just basically a real legit test. What I'm going to do is just run through these questions. Then in the description below, I'm going to provide a link to the questions and the answers I provided. Use it as inspiration for your own process when you decide to actually go ahead and open this account. I know what they usually do is tell you not to use AI, but in my case, who's gonna do that? I'm actually going to just use AI nonetheless. The AI I'm going to use is Perplexity, because I know Perplexity is fantastic. I'm going to paste it, let Perplexity think. There you go. There's the answer. So that's what I'm going to do for all these different questions. Take a screenshot of the question, use AI. Of course, they tell you not to use AI, but if you know what you're doing, you could still use AI. Just paraphrase the words in the individual statements and confirm the answers. Because you know what? At this point, AIs are actually better than us. For point. Let me run through the rest of the questions. See you at the end. One of the main reasons, by the way, why you should put your energy into getting these AI jobs is because they're pretty easy. This is a typical job scenario you'll find in this make money online by training AI sites, where you're given the output from one AI, the output from a second AI. Then what you need to do is basically just read through them, read the requirement, the prompt by the user, check the first one whether it meets the prompt, check the second one whether it meets the prompt. Then you pick your answer and you go ahead and explain your reasoning for it. It's just that simple. Therefore, given how simple it is, if you're looking for a way to make money online that is not too tasky, then it's worth trying to open these accounts. If you do choose to go down the route of using AI, like I've just used AI to answer this question number 5 and here's the response, you have to edit the response because otherwise you'll get caught. For example, the AI repeated itself over here, so I'm just editing that out. Then it likes making run-on sentences that run on each other, so shorten the sentences. Shorten and simplify the sentences. And just like that, you are done. Basically, I've answered all 7 questions. Basically, simple questions. Again, below you will find a link to all these questions and you can just review them for your personal use. And here, I now need to answer questions about my first name, blah, blah, blah. Since this is a mock-up, I'm just going to use a generic name, but for sure you can use your name. I'm going to choose my country, level of education, my English level, then the number of hours. I'm just going to choose a middle number. Then where did you hear about us? Social media. Then here you can type out your proficiency. Pick something that you're comfortable with. Once I'm done, I'm just going to click submit. Oh, forgot to answer that. Well, let me click submit for real. Once you click submit, you can go back to the home page and Stellar will get back to you after they review the results. What happens is after they have reviewed your submission, hopefully you'll receive an email like this that says, welcome on board. We've reviewed your skills, you're a match. Just open the project dashboard and you'll see a task there. You then go ahead and open the project dashboard. When you open your dashboard, you'll see something like this and you'll realize you've been assigned to a project. Like in this case, you've been assigned to a project that pays $40 an hour. You can be assigned to different projects, and once you've started, you'll get more and more projects. So to start working on the project, all you have to do is just click on Start Project. Once you've worked on your project for a while, under your finance section, you'll realize you have income and you can go ahead and withdraw that income either via PayPal or Pioneer. One main problem with Stellar.AI is that they have a reputation for not replying after you apply. To increase the chances of replying, use an anti-detect browser, specifically Multilogin, and also use a proxy, in this case RedMarvin, and try out to open different accounts in different locations. Links to all these tools are in the description below, and within the description there's also a link to a free mini course that will deal and address any challenge you might ever meet when attempting to open any of these side hustle websites. Generally, Stellar.AI is a perfect alternative to something like data-annotation.tech, Outlier.ai, and Aligner. Why? It's still an upcoming website, so they don't have all the security features like having to upload your ID, having to verify your phone number. It's just a simple application and boom, you're done. The trick is just apply multiple times to give yourself a better chance of actually getting in. Till next time, go forth and make money online.